So this is our number system PYQ part 2. So here question number 21, x and y are natural number other than 1, y is greater than x. Which of the following represent the largest number? X into y, x upon y, y upon x, x plus y upon x into y. So here there are three answer options are the fraction. Answer option A is a multiplication here. So this is x into y and both are like other than 1, like both number are greater than 1 actually. So here and y is greater than x. For example, we take y3, x2. So it is 2 by 3. This is 3 by 2. This is 5 by 6, whereas it is 6. So answer A. So in any case, in this type of question, fraction will be smaller. B, C, D are smaller than A. A is x into y. It is multiplication. For in case of natural number, so that is the largest number. So what you have to do in this, like you assume value. This is called assumption. You assume value of x, assume value of y, and try to put in answer option. So here then you can eliminate B because it is giving 2 by 3. You can eliminate C which is giving 3 by 2 and the D which is giving 5 by 6. So here whereas A is giving 6. So this is called like here assumption. We assume the value and we put in answer option. This is also one of the good technique actually. Next is question number 22. A number consists of 3 digits of which the middle one is 0. So 3 digit number, middle one is 0 and their sum is 4. So if I add all these digits, I get total 4. If the number formed by interchanging the first and the last, for example, this is x, this is y, then we get y0x is greater than number itself by 198. The difference is 198. The difference between the first and the last digit is. So we have to find what is the difference in x and y. So we have to find difference of x and y. I repeat, once we understand the question, it is a 3-digit number where the middle digit is 0. So here 100 place we have x, this is 100 place, this is 10 place, this is unit place. I take unit place y. If I interchange, it become y0x. Then I take difference is coming 198. So then they ask what is the difference of y and x. See here, the catch in this question is total is 4 and the middle digit is 0. And here it has to be natural number, like x and y has to be natural number. You cannot put x is 2.5. See here, what are the possible number we have? Like it is 103. If it is 1, it has to be 3. Next number is, it can be 202. Because it has to be 0, other is 301, 103, 301, same. One more, 400, 400 or 004. So here, from this 103 or 301, when we take the difference, it is coming 198. If we reverse 202, we get 202, difference is 0. When we reverse it, difference is coming 396. So here it is not matching with the question because difference has to be 198. Difference has to be 198. So actually this is 103. When we reverse it, we get 301 and we take the difference from the greater number, we subtract the smaller number. Difference is coming 198. Now question is, what is the difference of 3 and 1? 3 and 1. Difference of 3 and 1 is 3 minus 1, we get 2. So answer is 2. So what is important here? A number consists of 3 digits, which middle number is 0, one thing, and the total is 4. So it is 103, 202, 301, 400. You reverse, you check. If the number formed by interchanging the first and the last digit is greater than the number itself by 198. So here we take number 103. When we interchange the digit, we get 308. This is 198 greater than this. Yes, perfect. Now what is the difference of first and the last digit? What is the difference of first and the last digit? 2. Answer B. Next we come to question number 23. While writing all the number from 700 to 1000. Now this is the question which is lengthy in exam. We read the question. Okay, I solved this question here, but in exam you can take a call, you can leave also this type of question, because one or two question, yes, we can afford to leave. But anyways, I tell you, how many number occur in which the digit at 100 place is greater than 10 place, digit at 10 place, and the digit at 10 place is greater than the digit at unit place, and it has to be between 700 and 1000. So what we have to do, we have to categorize question is like 7 to 800. Don't think directly P and C will help you in this question. No, because there are two conditions, 800 to 900, then 900 to 1000. So we have to see between 700 and 800 how many such number are there which satisfy this question. Between 800 and 900, how many numbers are there which satisfy this question? Between 900 and 1000, how many numbers are there satisfy this question? Then we have to add. And what is the condition here? That 100 place digit has to be greater than 10th place digit, and the 10th place digit has to be greater than unit place digit. Like if you say 789, I will say it will be wrong, because 7 has to be greater than this, and this 10 place has to be greater than this. So this number not possible according to this question. 100 place digit has to be greater than 10 place digit, and the 10 place digit has to be greater than the unit place digit. So now here what you have to do, if it is 7, it can be 6 or less than 6. If it is 6, unit place can be 5, can be 4, can be 3, can be 2, 1, 0. All these numbers are possible. Even 770 in the line of 770 not possible. 780 not at all possible. 790 not possible. 766 also not possible. 765, 764, 763, 762, 761, 760. But here now we have the solution is like, then it can be 75, 7 is greater than 5, then it will be 754, then 753, 752, 751, 750. Then you take in 740, in the range of 740, 743, 742, 741, 740, then 732, 731, 730, 721, 720, 710. But the beauty here is I already told the solution will be lengthy, because if you take between 700 and 800 any other question, any other number, like someone suggests me 747, but this 4 cannot be larger than, like cannot be like here smaller than 7. It has to be greater than this. 100 place has to be greater than 10 place digit. 10 place has to be greater than unit place digit. So 743, 742, 741, 740. Similarly here, 735 not possible, because 3 cannot be smaller than 5 like here. It has to be 732, 731, 730. But there is one thing which help you. If you count the number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sequence. So in this 760s, we have 6 numbers, 750s we have 5 number, 740s we have 4 number, 730s we have 3 number, 720s we have 2 number, 701 number. So between 700 and 800 we have 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. So between 700 and 800 we get 21 such number which satisfy this question, where 100 place digit is greater than 10 place and 10 place digit is greater than unit place. So this is the condition which make this question like lengthy and bit difficult also. I'm going to rub this, then I take 800 to 900, then I will take between 900 and 1000. But I already told you in exam you can take a call this type of question, because will be time consuming, so we can leave also. Generally I'm not in favor of leaving the question. So here this is 8, smaller than 8, 7, 6. You start with this 876, 875, 874, 873, 872, 871, 870. Then next will be 865, 864, 863, 862, 861, 860. What we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 number here. In 870s we have 7. Here it will be 6, then 5, 4. So this will be the sequence. 7 plus 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. So between 800 and 900 we will get 28 such number. I repeat, between 900 and 1000 you will understand the concept. Just wait. This is between 900 and 1000. So first number 987. Then 986, 985. After that we have 984, 983, 982, 981, 980. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8. Then it will be 7. Okay, so it will be like 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 6 10 15 21 28 36. So between 900 and 1000 we have 36 such number which satisfy this condition that 100 place digit is greater than 10 place, 10 place is greater than unit place. So you add 21 plus 28 plus 36, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 5. So 85. So here between 700 and 1000 there are only 85 such number are there where 100 place digit is greater than 10 place digit and the 10 place digit is greater than unit place digit. This is question number 23. Question number 24, statement based question. Although I'm going to discuss all the statement question separately. Okay. If x minus y is equal to 8, which of the following must be true? Both x and y must be positive for any value of x and y. If x is positive, y must be negative for any value of x and y. Third statement, if x is negative, y must be positive for any value of x and y. See, select correct answer using the code given below. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, none of the above. See, first statement says, question is x minus y has to be 8. See here, x and y must be positive for any value of x and y. For example, if I put x is 5, then y has to be minus 3. For any value of x, y can be negative also. It is not coming always positive. If I take x5 to satisfy this question, y has to be negative. So it is not necessary that x and y has to be positive for any value of x and y. So first statement is wrong. If x is positive, y must be negative. For any value of x and y, I take x11 because I have choice. Because in this question, examiner has given me authority to take any value of x and y. So here I take x11. So in that case, y has to be 3. So it means y is positive. It is not necessary y has to be negative. Because here I have authority to take any value of x and y. So it has to satisfy with all the value of x and y. But here I have a contradiction. If I take x11, y is coming plus 3. So y can be positive also. So 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2. So answer is D. None of the above. No need to check third statement because answer options are framed in such a manner. So this is the wonderful thing in mathematics aptitude, where we assume value of x and y and we try to contradict the question. That really help in the examination hall. No need to follow simple equation, no need to make equation in this type of question. So you just try to take different value of x and y and you get idea whether it satisfies the statement or not. Question number 25 we already discussed, rupees 1, rupees 2. So by mistake it has been repeated. Answer D, 25 and 25. I have already taken this question. Question number 26. There are 5 hobby club in a college: photography, yachting, chess, electronics, gardening. The gardening group meet every second day. Electronics group meet every third day. The chess group meet every fourth day. Yachting group meet every fifth day. Photography group meet every sixth day. Okay, how many times do they all 5 group meet same time within 180 days? So we have to find LCM. Every second day means 2, 4, 6, multiple of 2 they are meeting. Every third day, sixth day, like this. So we have to take LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take 2 common, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3. We take 3 common, 1, 1, 2, 5, 1, 10, 30, 60. Every 60 days, these all 5 group will meet together. All the 5 group will be there in that college. पूरा कॉलेज भरा होगा, 5 के 5 ग्रुप आ रहे होंगे, मस्ती कर रहे होंगे. और in 180 days, how many times they will meet? Every 60 days they are meeting, all groups are meeting together. So in 180 days 3 times. Question number 26, answer is A, 3 times. LCM question, this is LCM because multiple of 2, multiple of 3 is we are using here. Question number 27, 3 persons start walking together and their step measure 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter, 45 centimeter. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete step? So 40, 42, 45. So we take LCM. So LCM and you get your answer. Okay. So we take 2 common, 20, 21, 45. We take 5 common, 4, 21, 9. We take 3 common, 4, 3, 3. So, sorry, 4, 7, 3, 7. So 10, 30, 120, 840, 840 into 3, 2520, 25 meter, 20 centimeter. So this is just calculation question where you have to find what is the LCM of 40, 40 to 45. You have to find what is the LCM of 40, 40 to 45 and you get direct answer. Next question number 28. If there is a policy that 1/3 of the population of a community has migrated every year from one place to some other place, what is the leftover population that community after 6 years if there is no further growth in the population during this period? See here, 1/3 of the population of a community has to migrate every year. So total population 1, out of that 1/3 migrate. So what is the remaining population? 2/3. And what is the leftover population of the community after 6th year? Okay, so what you have to find? Next also 2/3, 2/3. So we have to find what is 2 by 3 power 6. So it is coming 2 की power 6 is 64 upon 729. So only 64 upon 729th part of the population is left over because every year 2/3 population. So in first year 1 minus 1 by 3. Next year also 1 minus 1 by 3. Next year also 1 minus 1 by 3. So it means every time 2/3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. How many times? 6 times. So here straightforward I told you 2 by 3 power 6. So it is coming 64 upon 729. 2 की power 6, 2's power 6 divided by 3's power 6. D. Question number 29. An automobile owner. See here, this is 40, 60, 50, 48, 60, 40, 75, 32. Owner reduces his monthly petrol consumption and it is real time example. Every time you see there is hike in the petrol price or there is hike in the diesel price consumption when the price went up, and when the price went up we reduce the consumption because we have fixed certain budget for petrol. So price into monthly consumption, when you multiply you will find there is something which is common. 40 into 60 price into consumption, tell the budget. So it is coming 2400 rupees. Even 15 to 48 also 2400. 60 into 40 also 2400. 75 into 32 also 2400. You calculate. I'm doing this calculation bit fast. So it means this guy has fixed monthly budget on the petrol is 2400. If the price is 100 rupees per liter, only 24 liter. So according to the price, I decide consumption. Now if the price goes up to 80 liter per month, so I will use X liter, my consumption. Monthly budget I fix 2400 according to this table. Value of X is coming 2400 upon 80. So it means 30 liter. So my consumption will be only 30 liter for that month. Answering. Budget. Price into consumption budget. Question number 30. A bell ring every 18 minutes. Second bell ring every 24 minutes. Third bell ring every 32 minutes. Means 18 multiple of 18, multiple of 24, multiple of 32. Multiple means LCM. If all the bells ring at the same time at 8 o'clock in the morning, at what other time will they ring together? तो अब वो एक साथ कब बजेंगे अब? So we have to see the LCM here. Take 2 common, 9, 12, 16. So take 2 common, 9, 6, 8. Again take 2 common, 9, 3, 4. Take 3 common, 3, 1, 4. 4, 8, 24. 72 into 4, 288. So every 288 minutes, this 3 bell will ring together. So LCM is 288, but it is minute. We have to convert this 288 minute in hour and minutes. So 240 minute plus 48 minute, it become 4 hour plus 48 minute. So here they ring together at 8 o'clock. After that 4 hour 48 minute, again they will ring together. So it means at 12 o'clock 48 minute. So it is 12 hour 48 minute. So here this 3 bell will ring together. Previous year question, LCM question, simple. But only the calculation where generally student they do mistake, have patience. In a parking area, the total number of wheels, all the car and the scooter is 100 more than the total vehicle parked there. The number of car parked there is asked. Okay. Now here, total number of wheels, all the car and scooter is 100 more than. So car and scooter. Scooter have 2 wheels, car have 4 wheels. Total vehicles are car plus scooter. So it is number of, we make equation in case of number of wheels. So 4 into C, number of car I take C, number of scooter I take S, 2S will be equal to C plus S plus 100, because it is given 100 more than the total vehicle parked there. We take this side, 3C plus 1S is 100. I will cross check this question because there is mistake in this question. Now this question number 31, there is one correction. In a parking area, the total number of wheels, all the cars and scooter is 100 more than the twice. So here you make correction, twice the total vehicle parked there. Twice the total vehicle parked there. So here I take number of car park C, number of scooter park S. So every car have 4 wheels, scooter have 2 wheels. Number of wheels here actually every car 4, scooter 2. So it is twice the number of vehicle plus 100. So it is 100 more than the twice the total vehicle parked there. So this will be equation. So just make one correction. This is twice the total vehicle parked there. So it is 4C, because every car have 4 wheels. 2S, every scooter have 2 wheels. Twice the number of vehicle part. Number of car plus scooter, twice plus 100 extra. So here this is 4C plus 2S is equal to 2C plus 2S plus 100. 2S cancel. You take 2C this side. 4C minus 2C is 100. 2C is 100. Value of C here is 50. Number of car part 50. So answer C. It is 50. So make correction. Twice the total vehicle park there. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. So there is correction in question number 31. There are some nectar filled flower on a tree. Some bees are hovering over it. One bee land on each flower, one will be left out. If 2 bees land on each flower, one will be left out. See here the catch in this question, one will be left out, one will be left out. It is not for the same. In one statement, one will be left out maybe for flower. In second statement, one will be left out, maybe one bee left out. The number of flower and the bees respectively are. So we can use answer options flower and bees. So if it is flower 2, bees 4. So if there are 2 flower and second statement on every flower there are 2 bees, neither the flower left out nor the bees, so it is not possible. If it is number of flower 3, number of bees are 2. So if there are 3 flower, second statement says on every flower there are 2 bees. So both bees are there. These are 2 left out, not 1. If it is 3 and 4, so there are 3 flower, 1, 2, 3. So if on each flower 1 bee, so 1 bee left out. Second statement, there are 3 flower. If on each flower there are 2 bee, BB, so 1 is left out, means 1 flower is left out. Yes. So use answer option, that is the best way, because out of the answer option we have to tell which one is correct. So it means there are 3 flower, 4 bees. In each flower, on each flower, if 1 bee like here land, then 1 bee is left out. If in case on each flower 2 bee land, then 1 is left out, means 1 flower is left out. That flower is not having any bee. So 3 flower, 4 bee. Perfect. Question number 33. A class start at 11 and last at 2:27 p.m. 4 period of equal duration are held during this interval. After every period, there is a rest of 5 minutes is given to the student. The exact duration of each period is. We make the diagram here. So first thing is total duration from 11 a.m. to 12:30. 11 to 12, 1 hour means 60 minutes. 12 to 1, 60 minutes. 1 to 2, 60 minutes. 2 to 27, 27 minutes. 180 plus 27. So total duration is 207 minutes. One thing. This is first period. There is a gap of 5 minutes. Second period, there is a gap of 5 minutes. Third period, there is a gap of 5 minutes. Fourth period, after that chutti. No gap, because here you will not wait. Students, they will run away. So there are 4 period and 3 gap. 3 gap of 5 minutes. So gap duration in total become 15 minutes. Step number 2. So this is 5 minute gap, 5 minute gap, 5 minute gap. Total gap duration become 15 minutes. So effectively, for how many minutes the study is going on? 192 minutes. In this 192 minutes, how many periods? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we divide 192 by 4, so effectively each period is of 48 minutes. So answer A. Step 1, you find the total time. And very simple method, 60, 60, 60, 27 minutes, 207 minutes. There are 3 gap of 5 minutes. So 15 minutes we deduct. So here total duration for the period 192, where we have 4 period. So here this is 192 divided by 4, we get the answer. Next is question number 34. In a class there are 18 very tall boys. Although there is some part of ration, that's why I always take previous year question after my course, after the classes, because we have the concept of number system, ratio and proportion. तो इसमें थोड़ा सा ratio and proportion भी use है. If this constitute 3/4 of the boys, the total number of boys is 2/3 of the total number of students in the class. What is the number of girls? So this is 3/4 of the boys are 18. So this 18 is 3/4 of the boys. So how many boys? You take this other side. So it will be 4/3. So it is 6 into 4, 24 boys. Step number 1. If 18 boys constitute 3/4 of the number of boys, so number of boys 24. If boys constitute 2/4 of the total student, sorry, 2/3, 2/3 of the total student is equal to 24. So total student is equal to 24 into 3/2, 12 into 3, 36. So in that class, number of boys 24 and number of students 36. How many girls? 36 minus 24, 12. Answer B. Step 1, 3/4 of the boys is 80. So boys is 18 into 4/3, so 24. 2/3 of the total student 24. Total student will come 36. So the difference is coming 12. Question number 34. Next is question number 35. Bit lengthy but not difficult. We can easily manage. There are 3 pillars. X, Y, Z of different height. 3 spider A, B and C start to climb on this pillar simultaneously. In one chance, A climb on X. So this is X, Y, Z. A climbs in one chance 6 centimeter and slip down 1 centimeter. So effectively 5 centimeter. 6 centimeter climb, 1 centimeter slip down, effectively 5 in one chance. This is A. Whereas spider B climb on Y, that is 7 centimeter and slip back 3, effectively 4 centimeter. C climb on the Z 6.5, slip down 2, so effectively 4.5. If each of them required 40 chances to reach the top of the pillar, what is the height of the shortest pillar? So one catch here, shortest pillar. Every chance A effectively climb 5 centimeter, B 4 centimeter, Z 4.5. So it means on its face it seems the pillar Y may be the shortest because B is effectively climbing only 4 centimeter. So this is the pillar here, pillar Y, and this is spider B is climbing 7, slip down 3, effectively 4. Every chance 4 centimeter. Total number of chance 40. In this question, some student what they do, 40 into 4, they get answer 160, but it will be wrong. So what you have to do, you have to divide this 40 chances in 2 parts, 39 chance plus the last chance, because last chance is like special one in the journey of this spider. उसकी लाइफ का एक बेहतरीन मोमेंट है वो. कैसे है? Here in the first chance 4 centimeter, effectively 7 minus 3, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and so on. So in 39 chance into 4, 156 centimeter has been climbed. Last chance, why it is important? Because this spider is going to get mocks. वो टॉप पे पहुंचने वाला है. Will climb 7 centimeter and this spider is sitting here. Now you ask this spider, बच्चा 3 centimeter नीचे आ, बच्चा कह रहा है I'm on the top. बच्चा got mocks. हिमालय टॉप माउंट एवरेस्ट पे पहुंच चुका है. अब वो नीचे नहीं आएगा. Whatever you will show, chocolate, whatever, will not come back. So in the last chance, spider will climb only, will not slip down, because that spider already reached the top. So here 156 plus 7 is 163 centimeters. So answer is B. The shortest pillar here is 163 centimeter. I repeat, A 6 minus 1 because 6 climb, 1 slip down, effectively 5. B 7 climb, 3 slip down, effectively 4. C is 6.5 minus 2, 4.5. So one wild guess here is B is climbing on pillar Y, so Y can be the shortest one. We take a chance, so 39 chance plus the last one. In this type of question where spider or monkey climb then slip down, climb and slip down, here the last chance is very special in their life actually. 39 into 4, 156, and the last chance they just climb, they will not slip down because they reach the top actually in the last chance. 7, 156 plus 7 is 163. Question number 35, answer is 163. Question number 36, number of times the digit 5 will appear while writing the integer from 1 to 1000. Just see this question. Now here, this is the number of times the digit 5 will appear while writing the integer from 1 to 1000. See, 5 can appear at 100 place, can appear at 10 place, can appear at unit place. Like unit place 105, 205, 115. This 5 can appear at 10 place like 151, 152, 153. 5 can appear at 100 place, 501, 502, 503. So I count this separately, I count this separately, I count this separately. When it appear at 100 place, it is fixed 5. 100 place is fixed 5. So it can be filled in one way only because it is 5, no variety. Whereas 10 place, we can use 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it can be filled in 10 different ways. Unit place, that can also be filled in 10 different ways. So here 10 into 10, 100. So there are 100 such number are there where 5 will come at 100 place. I tell you the number 500 to 599. You can count. If you don't have any other work, if you are free, keep on counting. 500 to 599. 5 appear at 100 place. Some student they get, sir, what about 555? Here 5 come thrice. Wait, this 5 I will take care here. This 5 I will take care here. This is just for this 5. Just concentrate where 5 at the 100 place. We are not bothered about 5 at 10 place, 5 at unit place. That will be counted separately. Here 5 at 100 place. Total such number are 100, which are 500 to 599. Second case is where 5 come at 10 place. 5 come at 10 place. Here it is 5, fix. So this can be filled in only one different ways. Whereas unit place, it can be 0 to 9 in 10 different ways. 100 place, see they say 1 to 1000. So I can use a number 051, 052. So I can use 0 also, 0 to 9. So it can be filled in 10 different ways. So 100 such number are there. Because 100 place, you can put 0. Because 050, 051, 052, 053, that also satisfy your question. You can use 0, you can use 1, 151, 152, 153, 251, 253, 451, 452, 453, 551. So 551, 552, I will take care. This 5 I will take care. Now next, third is unit place. So this is 100 place, 10 place, unit place, it is fixed 5. One different way, 10 place it can be 0 to 9, 100 place it can be 0 to 9. Like I tell you example, it can be 005. Yes, that also satisfy your question, 005, 015, 025. It can be filled in 10 different ways, so 100. So when 5 come at 100 place, 100 such number, 5 at 10 place, 100 such number, 5 at unit place, 100 such number. So answer is 300. So question number 36, answer is C, 300. Question number 37, in a school, every student is assigned a unique identification number. A student is a football player if and the only identification number is divisible by 4. So for football, it is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, then it is football player. Whereas student is cricket player if and only if identification number is divisible by 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, all these are cricket player. Every number from 1 to 100 is assigned to a student, then how many of them play cricket as well as football? Means divisible by 4 as well as 6. Means LCM. Divisible by 4 and 6 means divisible by 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. You can check. This 12 is here, 12 is here, 24 is here, 24 is here. Means 12 and multiple of 12. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. These are the player. They play cricket as well as football. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8B. Question number 38. Rakesh and Rajesh together bought 10 ball and 10 racket. Rakesh spent rupees 1300. Rajesh spent rupees 1500. If each racket costs 3 times a ball does, then what is the price of the racket? So total amount they have 1300 plus 1500, 2800. In that they got 10 ball, 10 bat, 10 racket, sorry, 2800. Take 10 common, ball plus racket, 2800. Take 10 other side, 1 ball plus 1 racket costs you 280. 10 ball, 10 racket costs 2800. Take 10 other side. So 1 ball, 1 set of ball and racket costs 280. Each racket costs thrice a ball. So racket costs thrice a ball. So we replace racket by 3 ball. 1 ball plus 3 ball is equal to 280. 4 ball is equal to 280. So the price of ball is 280 divided by 4, 70. And what is the price of racket? 3 into 70, 210. So what is the price of racket? 210. Answer C. I repeat, first total amount with them 1300 plus 1500, 2800. In that they got 10 ball, 10 racket. So 1 ball, 1 racket, 280. So here 1 racket is equal to 3 ball. The price of racket is thrice the ball. So ball plus 3 ball, because ball plus racket. Racket has been replaced by 3 ball 280, 4 ball 280, 1 ball 70. So it means 1 racket will be 3 into 70, 210. Question number 13 on the ratio of 2-digit natural number to a number formed by reversing it is 4:7. I already told you in the last session, 2-digit number 21, when you reverse it is 12. The number of such pair is, okay. Now here what we will do, we start with 11. When you reverse it, we get 11. Ratio is 1:1. Wrong. Ratio has to be 4:7. I take 12. When I reverse, it is 21. So I divide by 3. I divide by 3. Oh, it is 4:7. So first such pair is 12:21. If I multiply it with 2, so it means 24 and 42. Yes, you can check. Then 36. Keep on taking multiple of 12. 63. 48, 84, 60 and 6 will not work. So it means there are 4 such pair where you take 2-digit number, and here in front of you, start with the 11. First I have done heat and trial, started with the 11. 12. I was so lucky that second number itself helped me, 12, 21. So it means it is heat and trial I have done. Okay, I started with 11. So 12 helped me. Otherwise I have checked 13, 14, 15. I have to do that. So here 12, 21, 4:7. So then I have taken multiple of 12. 12:21, 24 is to 42, 36 is to 63, 48 is to 84. So there are 4 such pair we have. Question number 40. Suppose you have sufficient, and like I already told you, PYQ is going to be very, very important, because the number of questions which I'm going to discuss in PYQ, I have not discussed in the classes. 70 question on number system. Suppose you have sufficient amount of rupee currency in 3 denomination, rupee 1, rupee 10, rupee 50. How many ways can you pay bill of rupees 107? Okay, we have to pay a bill of rupees 107, 16, 17, 18, 19. In this case, What you have to do, you have to start with the largest denomination, 50. First, I take two. How many ways? Like there is no condition that you have to use all three denomination. So with the 50, I can have combination of 10 only, 50 with 1. So what I take two currency of 50 means 100 plus. Can I take currency of 10? No, because I have to pay 107. Then I have to take 1 7. So this is one way where I use two currency notes of 50. One way only. Second is when I take one currency of 50. For this 7, this is 100 plus 7 actually. You cannot use neither 10 nor 50. You have to use only one. After that, for rest 50 rupees, you have choice. I can give one currency note of 10, the rest in rupees 1 1. See here, I can use here in this one currency of rupees 10, the rest is of 7 7. I can use two currency of 10, the rest is 1 1. 3 of 10 means 30 plus 27, 40 plus 17, 5 plus 7. So it means I have 5 different such way where I have to use one currency of 50. Okay, that's it. Now the third is where I use zero currency of 50. For this 7 singles 1 rupee I have to give. For this 100 I have choice. Either I use like here 1 of 10, 2 of 10, 3 of 10, 4 of 10, 5 of 10, 6 of 10, 7 of 10, 8 of 10, 9 of 10, 10 of 10. I cannot use 11 of 10 because amount is 107. So this is 10 ways. Now here there is one more. Now we got how many ways? 10, 15, 16. But there is one more where I use zero currency note of 50, zero currency note of 10. Here I'm using at least one note of 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means I'm using 107 currency of only rupees 1. So there is one more way where I use only 1 rupee coin or 1 rupee currency to pay 107 bill. So here one way, 5, 6, 16, 17. So there are 17 different ways. So you start with 50, 2 currency note, 51, 50, 0, then 50 and 10, 0, only 1 rupee. So you see how many different ways you can pay the bill of 107. So it is 17 different ways. Question number 41. If the numerator and denominator are of proper fraction. You already know proper fraction where numerator is less than denominator, like 2 by 3. Okay, like 5 by 10. Are increased by the same positive quantity. Assumption, I assume this fraction is 5 by 10. Same positive value I increase. So what I do, I add 5 here, I add 5 here. So new fraction will be 10 by 15. Old fraction 5 by 10, new fraction 10 by 15. But this fraction has to be a proper fraction. The resulting fraction is. I already covered in the class where I told you the comparison of fraction, shortcut. But if you are not able to recall, you assume 5 by 10, it becomes 10 by 5. This is half, this is 0.66. So resulting fraction is greater, will always be greater than the earlier fraction. The resulting fraction is always less than the original fraction? No. Always greater than the original fraction? Yes. Always equal to? No. It will never be equal, such that nothing can be claimed definitely. Since this is a proper fraction, yes, we can claim. In case of improper fraction, we have opposite result. I already given in my lecture. So here answer B. You can just put the value and you can get your answer. You can cross check actually. Question number 42. Number 136 is added to 136 is added to 5B7. And the sum obtained is 7A3. where a and b are integer, given that 7a3 is exactly divisible by 3, the only possible value of b is, here it is 5, it cannot be 50. Possible value of b here is, we have to check that. 6 plus 7, 3, okay. This will be 1. 4 plus something is a. And here it has to be 1 here. Means 4 plus something. This b. No, there is a catch. There is a catch. 6 plus 7, 13. We get 1 carry forward. 4 plus something has to be a. But here it is 7. So 5 plus 1 is 6. It means here also we have a carry forward. We should have a carry forward. So that's why it becomes 7. So this total value has to be more than 10. So this is 4 plus b has to be more than 10. Then only there will be carry forward. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 8 is 12. Either answer is 7 or 8. Because carry forward has to be there. Otherwise it has to be 6. So this value has to be more than 10. So 1, 3, 6. Try answer option. क्यों दिमाग लगाना है? I take 7. I take b is 7. So the only possible value of b is, I take 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 1, 11. 7, 1, 3. Is this divisible by 3? No. So it means answer is 8. We check. 8. This is 1, 3, 6. 5, 8, 7. 13, 12, 7. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 12. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So this 8 will get fit in this question. No other value. 8. So you check with answer option actually. 8 is the answer. Next, statement based question. Consider two statements, statement 1, statement 2 followed by a question. Statement 1 is p plus p and q both are prime number. Statement number 2, p plus q is an odd number. Odd integer actually, odd integer. P plus q is an odd integer. P into q. Is p into q an odd integer? There is a catch in this statement or in this question. In this type of question where the statement given and there is question in question. Question के अंदर question है. Question के अंदर question क्या है? Is p and q an odd integer? I ask you, have you done your breakfast? For example, your answer is yes. Is I got the answer? If you say no, I got the answer. Here, if you say no, then also I'm getting your answer. I ask you, क्या आपने breakfast किया? आपने बोला हाँ, I'm okay, I'm happy. आपने बोला ना, I'm happy. Because I got the clear answer. But if you put a condition, if there is poha in the breakfast, I have done yes, otherwise no. Then I will say क्यों घुमा रहे हो? मुझे clear बताओ कि breakfast किया नहीं किया. Have you done breakfast? Yes or no? So it means if for this question answer is coming either yes or no, it means I'm able to solve this question. If there is a confusion, it means I'm not able to solve this question. It is not necessary answer has to be yes. ना में भी आंसर मिल रहा है. If you are saying no, I have not done breakfast, so I got my answer. मुझे आंसर तो मिला. But if you are saying if there is paratha in the breakfast, no. If there is poha, yes. So there is a confusion. I don't know whether there is a paratha or poha in the breakfast. You have to tell me clearly yes or no. So it means if it is coming yes or no, it means I get the answer. But if there is a confusion, then I'm not getting the answer. Just let me try to solve this question. So make a note. If there is a statement based question and there is a question in question, like is p into q an odd integer? If this statement is giving either yes or no, it means this statement are sufficient to give answer. Even the no is a correct answer here. Now you think again, my question to you, have you done breakfast? If you are saying yes, I'm getting my answer. If you are saying no, then also I'm getting answer. But if you are confusing me, then I'm not getting my answer. So it means if there is yes or no, yes, I'm getting the answer. If there is a confusion, I'm not getting the answer. So it is given P and Q both are prime number and P plus Q are odd integer. P and Q both are prime number and P plus Q integer. Okay. Statement 1 is alone sufficient to answer the question. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. What is statement 1? P and Q both are prime number. So prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. It is as P into Q an odd integer. If I take 2 into 3, I take P to Q3, it is coming 6. But in case I take 3 and 5, I'm getting odd number 50. It means you are saying if one of the prime number is 2, then no, otherwise yes. Means you confuse me. You are not saying me is P and Q an odd integer. You are saying sometime yes, sometime no. No, you have to tell me clear cut, yes or no. So statement 1 is not sufficient to give me a clear answer. I need a clear answer. I don't want confusion. Next, statement 2 is alone sufficient to answer the question. P plus Q is an odd integer. So for P plus Q is an odd integer, it means both cannot be odd number. Because if it is 3 plus 5, it become even number. It means one has to be even, second has to be odd. 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3. So it means out of that one is even, another is odd. Then only P plus Q is odd. So here when you take one even number and one odd number, their multiplication is always even. So it means is P and Q an odd integer? No, because it is coming even. So statement 2 is alone sufficient to answer the question? Yes. So answer is B. Negative answer है no है, but clear cut तो है. I ask you, have you done breakfast? You say no. I'm happy because I got my answer. So here statement 2 is saying no, this will not be odd number, it will be even number. So it means statement 2 alone answer this. Is P and Q an odd integer? No. So no is the answer for this question. So point is, in this type of statement based question where there is a question in question, if the statement, any statement give answer yes or no, it means we get clear answer. But if there is a confusion, sometime even, sometime odd, you are saying if 2 is there then even, if you are saying 2 is not there odd, don't confuse me. So here statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer this question, yes. Because when P plus Q odd number, it means one number has to be even, other number has to odd. And when you multiply even and odd, even into odd, so it will be even number. So here question number 43 answer is B. Question number 44, certain 3-digit number following characteristics, all the 3 digits are different, the number is divisible by 7, the number on reversing the digit is always divisible by 7. How many such 3-digit number are there? 2, 4, 6, 8. It was one of the difficult question asked, no other way, like you have to check. So here, so it is one of the difficult question actually. So this question, certain 3-digit number following characteristics, all the 3 digits are different, the number is divisible by 7, the number on reversing the digit is also divisible by 7. Like here, if I tell you the solution, that will take around 10 minutes. Even exam point of view, I will not suggest like this type of question we have to attempt, because very lengthy question. So I just give the solution 952. Okay, when we reverse 259, 861 and 168. So there are 4 such number are there. When we reverse, then also divisible by 7 and all 3 digits are different. So it is B answer 4. Okay, given in the answer key. So these are the number. Question number 45, a 8-digit number 42527446B leaves remainder 0 when divided by 3, how many value of b are possible? So some students, they miss this point and they got wrong answer. How many different value of b has been asked? So it is divisible by 3 actually. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 13, 13 plus 7 20, 24, 24 plus 6 30. So here b can be 0 because 30 plus 0 30, b can be 3 33, b can be 6, b can be 9, because the sum has to be divisible by 3. If b is 1, it becomes 31, so it is not divisible by 3. So b can be 0, can be 3, can be 6, can be 9. So how many different value of b are possible? We have 4 different value possible: 0, 3, 6, 9. So this is only one catch. Student, what they do, immediately they start find what can be b. Like here they mark 3 is given, 6 is given, either they mark 3 6. So b can be 3, can be 6, can be 0, can be 9. So 4 different values of b are possible here. Next question. Question number 46. Sunita cut a sheet of paper into 3 pieces. The large, I tell you one method, wonderful method. Two method I tell you. The length of the first piece is equal to the average of 3 single digit odd prime number. What are the 3 single digit odd prime numbers, or single digit prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Out of this, odd prime number are 3, 5, 7. See here, you read this statement carefully. Like Sunita cut a sheet of paper into 3 pieces. Length of the first piece is equal to the average of the 3 single digit odd number. So 3 plus 5 plus 7, 15 divided by 3, it is 5. So first piece, it is 5. Length of the second piece is equal to the first plus 1/3 of the length of the third. Second piece, I will take y. It will be first plus 1/3 of the third, z by 3. The third piece is as long as the two pieces. Z is equal to x plus y. The length of the original sheet of paper is 13 unit, 15 unit, 16 unit, 30 unit. Shortcut. So x is 5. Okay. Y is x plus z by 3. Okay. So it is 5 plus something, more than 5. For example, I assume y is 6. I assume it has to be more than 6 actually. So what will be z? Z will be 11, minimum 11. Okay. So 5 plus 6, 11. So 5 plus 6, 11 plus 11, 22. Means minimum, like here, the length of the original sheet has to be more than 22 or 22 or more than that. 13 not possible. If all 3 pieces are 5, 5, 5, then also it is not possible. 15, 16, so answer is 30 unit. I repeat, the first piece is average of this 3 prime number 5. Y is more than x because x plus something. I take y minimum 6. Z will be sum of first two. Z has to be minimum 11. So 5 plus 6, 11 plus 11, 22. So the total length has to be more than 22 unit. So there is only one answer option, which is 30 unit. No calculation required. Method 1. Method 2. First piece we got 5. Second piece is x plus z by 3. And the third piece is x plus y. Value of x is 5. We put the value of x 5. I make equation here. Y is equal to 5 plus z by 3. Z is equal to 5 plus y. If we put the value of y here, we get the value of z. Then we get the value of y. We can add. So now, long cut method, this is z will be 5 plus what is y? 5 plus z by 3. So z is equal to 10 plus z by 3. So you take 1/3 z that side, z minus z by 3 is equal to 10. So if out of z you subtract 1/3 z, we will get 2/3 z. 2 by 3 z is equal to 10. Z will be 10 into 3 by 2. So we get 30 by 2, 15. If z is 15, x is 5, what will be y? 10. So then what is x plus y plus z? Actually these three pieces are x5, y10, z15. Total is coming 30. That is the answer. But it is a lengthy process. I repeat, x is 5. So y will be x plus z by 3 according to question. And z will be x plus y, 5 plus y. So you take this equation, z is equal to 5 plus y, 5 plus y. Put the value of y, 5 plus z by 3. Solve for z. Z will come 15. So y will come 10. x5, y10, z15. I take 4 more questions in this. Sita and Geeta go for a swim after a gap of every 2 days. After a gap of every 2 days. And 3 days respectively. So Sita, first day, then 2 and 3 gap, 4th day, then 5 and 6 gap, 7th day, 8 and 9 gap, 10th day, 11 and 12 gap, 13 days. Like some people, they take the subscription and what they do first day, then 2 days chutti, then like after a gap of 2 days. Geeta, after a gap of 3 days. So Geeta is going on first, then 2, 3, 4 chutti, 5, 6, 7, 8 chutti, 9, 10, 11, 12 chutti, 13. So if on 1st January, both of them went for a swim together, when will they go together next? So answer is 13 January. The catch here is after a gap of 2 days, means every 3rd day. And here Geeta is every 4th day. You can take LCM. Alternate method is you take LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. So after a gap of 12 days, in 1st January you have to add 12, then it will be 13th January. But sometime we do that mistake. Some student they mark answer 12 January. It is after a gap of 12 days. They both will go together. So better you go to this. You use this method. That is very, very simple. Question number 48. How many zero are there at the end of the following product? Okay. Answer is given here. But I tell you. This is 1 into 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 into 25. So we write 25 as 5 into 5 into 30. 30 is 5 into 6 or 30. Take 30 only. 35. 5 into 7. 40. 45. 50. 55. 60. So here first direct 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 0 here. But whenever we multiply 2 and 5, that give also one extra 0. So this is 1, 2 we get here. Or like we have already taken 0, don't. So take 2 from this and you take any of the 5. One more 0. This 40 is 2 into 2 into 10. You have 2 here. So 1 2 with 35, 1 2 with 45. So 2 more 0. Or you can use any of these 5. So here 60. You have to check the even number actually, except 10. Out of this 20 you take 1 2. Out of 40 you take 2 into 2. Then 65. 2 into 3 into 10. You take 1 2 also. So it is 10. 6 plus 4, 10. So how many zeros are there? 10. 6 are straightforward. You take 1 0 from this. I tell you, I repeat. 1 0. This 0, not 2. 2 into 10. So it means 2 into 10. This 0 is used. 3 into 10, this 0 is used. 4 into 10, 2 into 2 into 10, this 0 is used. 50, this 0 is used. 60, 2 into 3 into 10. So this 10 is used, 0 is used. So 6 direct 0. Then this 2 into 5 give one more 0. This 2 into 5, this 2 into 5, we get 1 plus 1. And this 2 into 5, further 1. So here, every 2 here will help you. Question number 49. X, Y, Z, 3-digit number where X plus Y, Z is not a multiple of 3. X, Y, Z, Z, Y, X is not divisible by, like here. See here, X, Y, Z common, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it is 3xyz. This is not divisible by 3, but here entire total will be divisible by 3. Okay, so here 3 and 3 9, divisibility of 9, that complete total has to be divisible by 9. It is divisible by 3, but since it is not divisible by 3, so this entire number is not divisible by 9. So answer is B, 9. Question number 50. Let P, Q, R, S be natural numbers such that P minus 2016 is equal to Q plus 2017, R minus 2018, S plus 2019. Which one of the following is the largest natural number? Like here, natural number. So 2016, 17, 18. Out of any number we subtract 2018. I assume, see here, this value will come like 2020. Total has to be 2020. I assume, let you can take 4000, 5000, doesn't matter. P minus 2016 is 2020. Take that side. So P will be 2020 plus 2016, 4036. Q plus 2017 is equal to 2020. So you have to subtract. So Q will be 3. R minus 2018 is equal to 2020. You take other side. R will be 2020 plus 2018. This is 4038. You take other side. Value of S is coming 1. So which is the largest natural number? R, which is coming 4038. So it is R. So what you do? You just assume, let, this is my assumption, let all this value give me final result 2020. You can take 5000, 6000. So you get the value of P, Q, R, S. You can compare. R is coming 4038. So that is the largest out of this value. So here answer is C. Okay. So the rest I will take in the next session. Thank you very much.